Hi, it's Kirsten from WTI. I'm about to make some banana muffins using my Reynolds foil baking cups. Follow along to see why using these makes the process so much easier. So I get my muffin liners out and they're very big. I like the size of them. They fit perfectly in any muffin tin. They also come with paper liners that are in between the foil liners. You can definitely still use these to fill up as normal muffin liners. So now I'm gonna start filling them with my batter. I really like how tall the muffin liners are, so I can use as much batter as I want, and I find that they're tall enough so I won't have to be cleaning up any batter off of the muffin tin when they're done baking. Now is my favorite part. We get to test to see how easily the muffin liners come off the muffins. Look at that, so easy, and look how clean those muffin liners look. So you'll definitely not want to make another cupcake or muffin again without using the Reynolds foil baking cups. They definitely save you so much time. They give you all that time back to be able to enjoy your cupcakes and muffins with your friends and family. And that's my point of view.